In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email large file in Gmail. If you've ever tried to send something big and hit that frustrating size limit, this walkthrough will show you the smooth, built-in way to share it without any extra tools. First, open Gmail in your web browser or the Gmail app. Using the browser is often more reliable for large uploads because you can easily see progress and keep the tab open while things load. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if the file lives in that account's drive. A stable internet connection helps a lot here, since upload time depends on your speed and the file's size. Next, click the Compose button to start a new message. Fill in the recipient's email address, add a clear subject line, and write a short note that explains what the file is and why you're sending it. This context helps the recipient trust and find your attachment quickly. If there are multiple recipients, double check that you've added everyone who needs the file and that you're comfortable with each person having access. Now, attach your file. Click the paperclip icon for Attach Files and choose the file from your computer. If the file is small, Gmail will attach it directly to the email. If it's large, Gmail will automatically upload it to your Google Drive and insert a drive link in the message for you. This is expected behavior once you pass Gmail's standard attachment limit. You don't need to do anything special, just let Gmail finish the upload. Keep the tab open until you see the file attached or the drive link appear. Closing the window too soon can interrupt the process. When a drive link is used, Gmail may check who can access it. If your link is restricted, Gmail typically prompts you to adjust sharing so your recipients can view the file. You'll see a quick notice offering to grant access to the people you've addressed or to make the link viewable to anyone with the link if that's appropriate. Choose the option that matches the sensitivity of your content. For most cases, allowing your specific recipients to view is the right balance of access and privacy. Before you wrap up, glance over your message one more time. Confirm the right file is attached or linked, the subject is clear, and your note tells the recipient what to expect. That's all it takes to email a large file in Gmail using the built-in Google Drive integration, ensuring your file gets to the right people without hitting size limits.